Well, in this video lecture, we are going to discuss the concept of the elasticity of scale. By the elasticity of scale, we mean we want to determine whether the production function exhibits constant return to scale, increasing return to scale, or diminishing returns to scale. We have to determine it. To understand the elasticity of scale, suppose the production function is given by this function, right? And suppose t is any scalar which is positive, which is greater than 0, and this is the scalar at which we want to scale up the factor inputs. So when we scale up the factor inputs, we double or we triple it or we assume any other value of t, the output will also increase. So elasticity of scale is given by E of x, and this is equal to the percentage change in output is the function of t divided by y of t and divided by the percentage change of the scalar. So dt over t. So this is the percentage change in output and this is the percentage change in scalar t. Okay, we can also write the same elasticity function is in this form. So if we rearrange it, so it will, the final form it will be something like this. Okay, so as we know that y is the function of x, so we can replace yt by f of tx, something like this. This is equal to change in f of tx. So x is the input bundle and we want to scale it up by t, right, divided by dt and multiplied by t divided by f of tx, because y is the function of x. So we would either put this or this, and we evaluate it at t is equal to 1, and we will observe its value. So it will either be equal to 1 or it will be greater than 1 or it will be less than 1, and accordingly we will interpret it. So if the production function is, if this elasticity is evaluated at t is equal to 1 and we get a value which is greater than 1, it means that the technology exhibits increasing return to scale. If it is equal to 1, then it means that the technology exhibits constant return to scale, and if it is less than 1, that means that the technology exhibits diminishing return to scale. So this is how the elasticity of scale works. Thank you. Thanks for watching.